Hi, I'm Thomas McCarthy in Psychology 107, Section 512. I did the movie Split for my psychological analysis. Okay, so the main character's name is Kevin Wendell Crumb. He has 23 different personalities, and Kevin's able to switch between these personalities by having one personality in the light, and that personality is over control of the body. I would diagnose Kevin with dissociative identity disorder. However, in the movie, he is pre-diagnosed with this, so he already has it, and he is already going to see a therapist. But DID is not something that is diagnosed in all countries, because not all countries know it exists. And for some stigmas towards dissociative identity disorder, some people don't even believe that it's real. They believe that these people are faking this. For evidence, Kevin has symptoms that line up exactly with DID. For example, in the movie, each of his different personalities don't know what the other ones are doing. Like, there are just big gaps in their days missing where they weren't in the light. Treatment. A form of treatment for DID is to help keep the patient feeling safe, because almost all DID patients have experienced some form of trauma that caused this. And a hindrance of this treatment might be overexposure to the public, because that could cause some event to happen with one of the personalities, possibly. The film overall portrays and depicts a pretty exaggerated version of DID. You're not normally seeing 23 different personalities, let alone one of the personalities being this beast animal that is looking to kill everything. But there were some accurate details, though, because the movie was able to note the very distinct qualities between each personality, which is a characteristic of DID. However, this film could also, I feel like, there's a possibility it could cause some people to be afraid of those with DID, maybe. But, yeah. And here's my works cited.